doing good and having a good week. Today is actually Sunday again. We have been in the house for just over a week now and we have made quite a bit of progress. So I'm going to show you what we've done so far and then show you what I'm doing today. I'm literally only painting the fence today because there is not much left that I can do at the moment. We'll go check everything out, see what's going on, and then I'll take you through my day tomorrow as well. And tomorrow will be more fitnessy, we'll get a workout and all that because today is actually my rest day. So yeah, you can hear all the noise in the background. Sorry about that, but that's just the way the house is at the moment. So we're actually in my to-be dressing room at the moment. So this last time you seen this was all pink, like super pink, and now we have it white. So this door is going to go. Jack's going to get a new door for here, so we don't bother painting that or anything. We're going to change the blinds and obviously the lampshade as well, and then Jack's dad's going to come in here and paint it, I think, a grey colour, possibly, with maybe a little bit of white. Maybe do like that back wall grey and then the rest white. And here we did actually start to paint, but then realised that the walls were really bumpy, so we actually need to get them plastered. Like for instance up here, you can see like it's super bumpy, so there's no point in actually painting it until it's like all nice and smooth and plastered over. We've took this wallpaper off, so unicorns are gone. Then we've got the kitchen in here. So as you can see, we have new worktops as you saw last week. We have got a wine rack in here now. Jack's just built that on, finished off the edges and things on here. And we've also added the lights. This one's broken, but the lights underneath have all been changed and put in because most of them were working. This was also a bit messed up as well, so Jack's just put a new door on that, and it actually surprisingly works really well. Like you can't actually tell that it's like just new compared to the rest of the units. We have ordered these mirrors and I absolutely love them. So they're like window mirrors. Now, believe it or not, window mirrors are like so expensive and hard to get at the moment because I think they're so popular. So it was like, see if we got these ones, right, with black through them, it would be like an extra £100 most places, and this was only £55, so that's actually alright. So they are going to be going up in there. This room's changed around. Basically we're going to be painting this wall that blue over there, so I'll show you. Now it's going to be a deep dark blue. So like the deepest part of this is what it will look like. So I started to get a wee bit freaked out and put off a wee bit because of this blue. But once you put two coats on, it goes that nice like deep blue. Yeah, don't know what to call it, but yeah. Hello again. So I am just out just now doing the front fence. I'm just painting it at the moment. So I've done along here and it is definitely looking a lot better. Can't really see in this light here, but it is definitely looking a lot better. So we've got 2 more to go and that is my job today. It's not for me to say you love. Hello everyone, mind my mess. This is Monday now and I have just completed a live HIIT workout, and as you can see I have been literally drenched in sweat. When I finished I had like sweat dripping off my nose, sweat dropping off my chin. It was not nice, but it was a good workout and definitely worth it. So that's kick-started my Monday and I am going to take you along with me today, show you what I get up to. So I'm just about to go a wee walk with Cooper, maybe about half an hour or so, just to get some steps in, and I'm gonna pop my earphones in and listen to a good podcast and just get in a good headspace for the rest of the day, and also When I then get back, I will do some check-ins with my clients. So I'm just waiting on them to get back to me, and then I will reply to them all, get some lunch, and possibly do a upper or lower workout. We will see, I'm not entirely sure yet. I will mention that I have actually changed my workout schedule. I planned out yesterday, and I just feel like because the wedge shred's not going ahead, I think it's better to just refocus, because I've not really been concentrating on it at all. I've not been focused, I've not just been in the right mindset for it at all. I think it's because I don't have a proper plan anymore, I don't have a proper goal in mind or whatever. So I now have reassessed them. I'm going to set myself 4 weeks, and I'm going to do, I've got like a schedule, so I'm going to be doing upper twice a week, lower twice a week, a full body as well, and then 3 HIIT sessions. Now 2 of them must be the 30 minutes, and then 1 can either be skipping, running if I feel like it, which is technically low intensity or moderate intensity, or I can do a HIIT. So like we've got kind of options there, whatever I feel like, you know. I don't want to set myself to run and I don't actually want to run, I'd rather just do a HIIT workout, then that's fine. That is the workout schedule. I usually stick to the basics when it comes to my upper and lower sessions, and then full body I just like to have a wee bit of fun with it, get my staples in there, usually some deadlifts and stuff, and then I just have some fun, do some like accessory movements that I don't normally do, or like go on Instagram, get some inspo from there and add that in. So yeah, that is going to be the schedule. I have been following like 2 lower, 1 upper, and the rest all EMOMs or HIIT, and I just feel like it's got to a stage now, I've been doing it for like 2 months, which is way too long, and I've obviously been doing runs as well, and I'm just a bit bored of it. So time for a new schedule. We should see improvements soon, and either today we're going to do upper or lower, I've not decided yet. I'm just going to do what I feel. So yeah, we'll see. We've done a HIIT already, so that's one thing checked off the list. Next is upper or lower, we'll see, and I'll film it for you. So what time? See you in a bit. That's me just back from my walk now, and I have made myself some lunch. Tuna again, as always. So I've just toasted a piece of bread, popped some tuna mayo in there with a little bit of ketchup, of course, and some lettuce and salad on the side, and that should fill me up for maybe until after my workout later. So yeah, that's my lunch. Workout complete. That says done 2 workouts today, a weight session, upper body, and then a HIIT session this morning. So we are smashing it. Off to a good start for this programme that I've got going, and tomorrow I'll probably be doing a leg session, then another upper, and then a Thursday we've got the live leg as well. So it's all going well. I'm gonna get changed and then me and my mum are gonna go to Next Home because it's open and I'm so buzzing. I will take you along with. I'm so excited for Next because it's actually my favourite place and I've been wanting to go since getting the house, so yeah, I can't wait to see what's there and hopefully not spend all of our money. We're here. So I'm back now from Next Home. We just went there, had a wee look around everywhere. I actually saw a really nice couch, so I'm probably going to be back up there soon with Jack to see if we really like it together, you know, it's a joint decision. So this is everything that we got here. Obviously, it's just like a few things, not much. We want to be 100% sure on the furniture first before we go buying like all the accessories and things. It's quite a lot. You don't want to like pressure yourself into getting the accessories and then say you did get them, then the couch or whatever, the main piece of furniture, bed or whatever it may be, just totally doesn't go. So I just want to get things that I'm 100% sure about, and this was them. So for the kitchen is almost kind of done, so we wanted to get a few wee things just to kind of bring a little bit of kind of colour and, you know, a little bit of pizzazz to it. So this utilities thing I absolutely love. So you put like wee like wooden spoons in there and like napkins and whatever, I don't know, we'll find out, but I think that'll look really nice in there. And then this set of mugs I really love, so it goes from black to the grey, which is really nice and will totally go with our kitchen worktops and cupboards and everything. So I'm really happy with that, and obviously it wasn't too expensive either. Then these two pillows here I absolutely love. They are like a cream. I'm hoping to bring some cream into the living room rather than just grey and that blue, so just to add a little bit of light to it. And also I think it's quite important to get like different textures, so that's why we got this fluffy one. It literally reminds me of Cooper because it's so fluffy and white. I need to make sure I don't get makeup on that. But if they don't go with the living room, we can always use them in the bedroom because I know that we will be having some white in the bedroom. So yeah, that is pretty much everything I got from there. Okay, so I'm back at the house and this goes so well. Like, okay, it doesn't look that good right now because the walls aren't painted and everything's plastered, but we've got a wee utilities thing there. You can turn that to the side and it will look a lot better with the grey in the background. Yeah, we'll see. And then over here, I'll move it about so it looks better, but I just feel like it goes really well with the worktops and just everything. So we got a new mirror in the bathroom. The whole place is an absolute mess and needs a tidy, but this is the mirror in the bathroom, and I just feel like I wasn't really feeling the Diamante mirror, so circle, more classic, you know. And then the blind there, I have ordered a white one, so that it's all just black and white in here, so we're not having too much like greys or like any other kind of colours in here. I just feel like it needs to be black and white, so yeah. And I've added that wee candle there because why not? Da 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 da. Oh, there's our light. So I've got this one in my room right now, and next I'll have it, so I just thought why not just get another one, and then that's two for our bedroom. So that's saving money kind of in a way. So that, I'll just take this up with me. Up the stairs. Oh, what's that I see? What is that? Ooh, so I can't remember if I showed you this yesterday, but we did take that wall down, push it back. Now we've got more space. Jack's actually put a wee kind of in unit in there, so what he's going to do is build like shelves or something and pop that in there so we can actually use that space. Then we have our 2B ensuite, so you can actually see the structure of it now. I think Jack's job tonight is to put the plaster boards up, I think that's what you call it. Then that's actually going to look like a wee room. The door is going to come out like from here to open up, so there's plenty of space. There will be a door there and a door here to get in. So It's looking a lot better. So I think he's thinking shower along there, then where did he say the toilet was going to go? Toilet maybe here, I think, and then or toilet there and sink here. I don't know, we'll see. And then this part will be the next job, is putting this dormer in here. But that's updates for here. It's gonna look totally different up here, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. I absolutely love coming here and just seeing what progress Jack makes all the time, because he works so hard. If you don't know, Jack is a joiner. He's got his own business, and he has been a joiner for like 6 years, maybe 5-6 years. He did an apprenticeship first, and now he's got his own business, so he is really experienced. He has done most things, and if he doesn't know how to do it, one of his friends knows how to do it. So that be like electrician, plumbing, all that. So he's got plenty of connections, which really does help us. If Jack wasn't a joiner, we would probably have to put all this kind of stuff off till way later on, in a year or two's time, just to save up and whatever. But it's saving us quite a bit of money by him just being able to do most of it, and all he has to do is get the materials. So really good, really positive. I'm so lucky, so blessed. Not lucky, blessed. But yeah, I'm just gonna tie this video up here. I hope you enjoyed it. Got a wee upper body workout in, seeing the updates on the house, and obviously update on my new workout program and all that. So I hope it inspires you to get your workout program created and done, or even just to get moving and start working out at least, and just a bit of fun. If you like home renovations, then keep watching, because it will probably be most of my life right now. Super happy. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to. Really helps me. And if also, Jack and I have a homepage, and it's on Instagram, and it's Becca and Jack Home. So I will pop this here. If you want to go and give it a follow, then you can go do that if you want to see updates. Have a great week, everyone. Hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.